Alright, I'm back for another episode. I haven't touched the car in about a month, until about a week ago. I started doing a bit of work on it. Engine is pretty much ready to go in, besides I've still got to put the harmonic balancer and everything on. I've still got to put the timing belt on. The gaskets still aren't in just yet, but I still got to do that. But everything is all together, so I know where everything's going to be. Now all I got to do is do the final touches of harmonic balance and stuff, set it all together, and then put it in the car. So as you can see, it's a mess. So it's going to be a mission to put this in, but it should be alright. There's so many wires in this car. See, like I said, got the new water pump, it's painted. Got the new cam gear on, it's not adjustable, but I needed something other than the other one I had. For now I'm going to use the stock inlet until the new one comes from work. I've got a new thermostat housing coming. I've got harmonic balancer to go on, and then a new rocket cover cap, oil cap. This is the old distributor out of one of my older Volvos. Hopefully this one works, I haven't even checked it. I've got new leads, I've got new plugs. All new spark plugs in here. So I've still got to get it off the stand to put the new flex plate and everything on. But I've still got to clean everything in here. This is all the wiring I've got to deal with. I'm going to do my best to keep it clean. I am considerably thinking about shaving all this out, making this a tub, so it's like a clean one piece. I've got no aircon in here now. No aircon at all. I know the bonnet needs to be repainted. But as you can see, even with a polish, the paint is still a bit, how you going? I'm not exactly the happiest with it. So right now, I've basically taken the springs out of the rear of it so I can work out where the air suspension is going to go. Got to work out the plate for the bags and all the air lines to go through the tub. So I had to find its lowest point so I can work out geometries of how it's going to work. So as you can see, there's no springs in it. It sits pretty low, but it's not the lowest I'd want, but it seems alright. I did do a bit of patchwork on here, fixing up. There was rust on the back here, on the back tailgate. Even down the side here, I just did a dodgy primer until I do it properly and get it painted. The whole roof, this whole section here, is going to get painted. So I'm hoping once the car's got the engine in and it's running, this whole roof here, this whole section here, the massive long roof, is going to get painted again. I am going to do lace, old school 70s, 60s style lace, so like a curtain on it, get a bit of floral pattern on it, just to mix it up a bit. I've got something else cool. This is the best thing I got for the wagon. So as you know, it's fairly hard to retune factory Volvo ECU. You can do a piggyback system and stuff. My boss at work happened to give me this, an EMS 8860. So now I'm fully tunable with this car. It's got two inputs, it's got wiring and stuff, got to rewire it all. But I should be able to pull some extra power out of this car. The other thing I got for this car, I'm very happy with. It weighs a ton. Is a turbo. So I've got a whole set H1C turbo. It is a Dodge Cummins turbo. Should go pretty good on a 2.3. I am in the currently of getting it painted, as you can see. It's still, yeah, I've got to get it painted again. But it's a 54 juicer and it's got a 0.84 rehousing. So it should be able to spool up pretty quick and be able to get through all the road range. As we both know, B230s don't rev out past 5 grand. So right now I'm at the stages of just getting everything sorted, ready to make it run. Not per se make any power just yet, that'll be a next year thing. But I am planning on having the rear airbags in this car by the end of the year, if all goes to plan. So at least some sort of progress, I guess. But till next episode, hopefully the next episode the engine goes in the car, and then we can start doing all the wiring and get this thing started.